Alright everybody, I'm on the range. This is the Rico rifle. All nice and slick. We're about to shoot on the 100-yard lane. Let's start shooting. Let's see if the brass catcher actually catches the brass. Safety first. Dry fire. Oh, the clip is coming all the way. There you go. Now we should be good to go. There you go. You catch the little shell. It's right here in the bag. Let's keep shooting. Let's see a little bit of fast shooting, even though we're shooting. Okay. Let's slide it in a little bit. Okay, let's set it in and then I'll get you to it.